Shalom, g'day all, this is Tehillim29, back again, doing the Rainbow Press and Comics Fool's Gold Report. And in this week's Fool's Gold, we've got a Bendis trio being covered. As you already know. And for the first, we're going to begin with Batman Universe. For starts, let's get back to showing how much I paid for this. So it's showing $4.99, and this converts to $8.55 Australian. And that's through my LCS. Alright. To add on top of that, remember that this comic will be rated even for its worth. And yes, it will lose points. And loss of points also means loss of value in the comic. And that is why it's the Fool's Gold. So for the rating in regards to the cover, this does actually happen inside the comic. And for rating out of 10, okay, I'm siding with the artist this time. And it will get a 9 out of 10. So it's a bit of a high one this time for the artist. For the worth of it, $2.50 Australian. Internal art. The internal art was actually quite nice. And for that, I'll give it a 7.5 out of 10. Which gives another $1.50 to the artist. So the artist is up over the writer so far. But let's get to the story. One problem and theme about this story that I did not enjoy. I love the art. The art was brilliant. It was not very clear on time. Yes, we can see this place being Thanagar, but when this finishes, it brings us into another place which is not mentioned. And that's a big fail there for Bendis, and this is why this falls into the Fool's Gold category. So for the story, that's right, for the story, it's about a 2.5 out of 10. How much Australian dollars would I put towards it? 50 cents at least. So in this, the artist wins. Brian Michael Bendis, you really need to pay attention. You really need your editor to be there. And if I was your editor, I'd probably be a bit of a hard taskmaster. But for all the right reasons, not the wrong reasons. So I guess you can be thankful that I'm not working at DC Comics. Because after this event, in Batman's search for Randall Savage, he also does not give us any explanation as how Batman and one of the Green Lanterns end up going back in time. Yes, a bit of a spoiler there, but it actually ruined the story. If you really want to pick up some great Bendis, pick up his Jinx World Power series in United States vs. Murder Inc. They're the best things I would recommend right now, not this.